InsureMe's quote boxes are proven to be the highest converting way to send traffic from your website to the InsureMe lead form. There are many quote boxes available for you to use, but all of the quote boxes have a couple of things in common. First off, InsureMe's quote boxes pass through both the insurance type and zip code of the individual seeking a quote to the InsureMe lead site. Secondly, when someone hits the Submit button on an InsureMe quote box, they will be sent into the second page of the InsureMe quote form, giving them a more desirable quoting experience. But before you can use an InsureMe quote box, you will need to first add a link ID code to the quote box so InsureMe knows the traffic came from you. Let's go through the process for setting up your InsureMe quote box. From the front page of your InsureMe account, click the Links button. On this page, select a 6-digit link ID number you would like to use for your quote box, or create a new link to use for your quote box. Make sure you use a link ID number for this process, not the account ID number that you use to log into your account. Once you have made note of the 6-digit link ID number you would like to use, go ahead and click on the Quote Boxes link. On the Quote Boxes page, you can see all the different quote boxes we have for InsureMe affiliates. Feel free to look through and pick one that best suits your website. Once you have chosen a quote box for your site, click on the Copy Text button for that quote box. Next, open up a text editor like Notepad and paste the code into the page. Now you will want to edit the quote box so that you can add your link ID number. First, click on Edit and then select Replace. In the text box that says Find What, type in %, link ID, %. This is a placeholder for your link ID value. In the text box that says Replace With, enter the 6-digit link ID number that you decided on earlier. Now you're going to want to replace all instances of %, link ID, %, with your 6-digit link ID number, so hit the Replace All button. Your quote box should now be ready to be added to your site. Once your quote box is on your site, there is a way to test to make sure that you have successfully added the link ID to the quote box. To do so, go to the website you place a quote box on and start entering a lead. Once you click through to the InsureMe site, look in the URL string for the words ref by equals, and behind it should be your 6-digit link ID number. If you see it, your quote box has been set up properly. Thanks for taking the time to learn about setting up the InsureMe quote box. If you have any questions about the process, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-467-8736.